Some users discovered CarPlay issues after upgrading their phones to iOS 15. If the CarPlay disconnects as soon as you start playing a track, or you can no longer reorganize apps on the car radio screen like you used to. Don't worry. These issues may be due to upgrade glitches, hardware issues, or newly changed restrictions. I'm listed different potential methods, along with easy-to-follow instructions. Here's how to fix a CarPlay that's not working on iOS 15. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the cable first. Your CarPlay issues might not have anything to do with the iOS 15 update at all. The culprit could be simply the cable. Maybe it isn't connected properly, or it is no longer in tip-top condition. To rule out this possibility, plug the cable into another USB port in your car. If it doesn't work that way, it's time to buy a new one. Method 2. Download and install further iOS 15 updates. iOS 15.1 and 15.2 beta versions are already out. If you're ready to jump to the beta builds, download and install these further updates to see if they can fix CarPlay issues. If you wish to wait for more stable updates, you can try our next methods. Method 3. Ensure CarPlay isn't restricted. Step 1. Check if CarPlay is restricted. First, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Select Screen Time. Then, choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, tap Allowed Apps. Next, look for CarPlay on the list. Make sure that the toggle button beside it is green and active. Lastly, exit the Settings app and try to use your CarPlay again. Step 2. Check if the Allow CarPlay while locked feature is active. Go back to the Settings app. This time, select General and then tap CarPlay. On the next screen, tap the name of your car on the list. Next, look at the toggle button beside the Allow CarPlay while locked option. Switch it to green if it's currently inactive. Finally, exit Settings and test your CarPlay. Method 4. Disable equalizer to fix CarPlay not working on iOS 15. First, open the Settings app. Select Music. Then, tap EQ. On the next screen, select the Off option. Lastly, restart your iPhone and reconnect your CarPlay again to test it out. Method 5. Turn off or set Dolby Atmos to Auto. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Select Music from the list. Then, tap Dolby Atmos. Now, choose Off or Automatic. Finally, reboot your iPhone and reconnect to CarPlay and see if it no longer crashes. Method 6. Reinstall CarPlay to make it work on iOS 15. First, shut the engine of your car. Then, navigate your way to the Settings app on your iPhone. Select General. Next, tap CarPlay. Select the name of the car you're driving and hit the Forget This Car option. After a few seconds, start your vehicle and connect the cable of your iPhone. Then, go back to the Settings, hit General, and select CarPlay. This time, tap Available Cars and choose the name of your car. Method 7. Reset all iPhone settings. At this point, try restoring all your iPhone settings to their defaults. It'll resolve your CarPlay issue if it's caused by a random bug mismatching the settings during the iOS 15 update. You just need to reconnect your phone to your car after this fix. While resetting all settings doesn't remove data or media on your phone, it will eliminate any customized phone settings. Consider that before performing this fix.